Hello, it's Paul here. I want to give you a quick update on the 2021 channel configuration on YouTube and some ideas I'm having, and more specific training in different places. Obviously, my main channel, Paul Nicholson, is now Paul Nicholson Happy Meat Business, is my main channel, and there's lots of things, lots of Zoho users, lots of YouTubers, but then within the main channel, it's too hard for you to be into one thing at a time. So Happy Meat Business is going to be just for the introduction videos. It's going to be for business training videos, but specifically for each platform, it's going to be the main video introducing that platform for the year. In my other channels, what I've done is I've broken out all the YouTube training, all the YouTube for creator training is going to be at Blue Jeans Media. So if you're a YouTuber, you want to grow a YouTube channel, you're looking for YouTube advice, you want to meet other YouTubers, Blue Jeans Media and the Blue Jeans Media Forum is for you. Blue Jeans Media is named after my mum, Jean. She would love creatives. She would love people going after their creativity dreams and doing what they want. So all YouTube training will be at Blue Jeans Media. The next channel is the Zoho One Experience. I haven't got a link to it, have I? Let's go here. The Zoho One Experience, where I'm going to start putting all the Zoho One videos in one place. It might not pick it up. Paul Nichols. Yeah, it's because it's new. Oh, there we go. The Zoho One Experience. I should bump that a little bit further up. It's a little bit more important. No offense to my other channels. Let's put lessons at the bottom. Lessons is going to be breakout lessons. Oh, come on. Oh, sorry, just leave it for now, Paul. So, come on. Did I save that? Publish. The lessons channel is going to be the main videos where they're long and you have to split them up into lessons for trading groups. So that will be that. The Zoho One Experience will be just for Zoho One training, Zoho One lessons. As you see, there's going to be some discounts if you need help with Zoho One and things like that. So the Zoho One Experience is all Zoho training. Blue Jeans Media is all YouTube training. Happy Me Music, if you're a creator, you're looking for some of this, just a bit of a project I'm doing. I'm sharing copyright-free music on Happy Me Music. And then I'm going to be launching also Happy Me Games. So I'm going to be having a fun channel for just my games. So that'll be my golf, computer games. My niece has been at me to do a gaming channel where we can just play games and have a laugh. Vlogging, everything's going to be on the Happy Me Games channel. That's just going to be a bit of fun. I realised years of doing YouTube now and giving people advice, I need specific channels for specific things and not get everything complicated. So the main channel is going to be for all brand new platforms, intros for the new years. Blue Jeans Media is for YouTube creators, and Zoho One for Zoho One lessons. All my Zoho training will be on Zoho One, or the Zoho One Experience, which has got a forum as well. Blue Jeans Media has got a forum as well. Happy Me Music, a bit of fun. Happy Me Games, a bit of fun. Good luck in 2021. It's coming fast into it. Hopefully you're doing what you want to do in your life, business, everything like that. If you need any help, ask questions wherever you see it. I'm always happy to, I was going to say impart my advice, but just tell you what I'm doing, really. Tell you what I'm doing. Follow me, follow my, people might say you've got 6 YouTube channels, are you crazy? Well, YouTube want you to be a certain thing on a certain channel. They don't want you to be 6 things on one channel. They want it to say, what is this video? What is this channel for? And it will make it easier for people to find things within those channels. So hopefully you understand. Hopefully you come and join me across the networks, across these channels, paulnicholson.com. For main links, you'll see other channels on the side here as well. Have a great one. Speak to you soon. Thanks for watching. Ciao.